Please could you take deep breaths in and out with your mouth open.
Most sounds are best heard with the bell. Auscultate left and right alternately, comparing equivalent positions, to ensure that localized abnormalities are not missed. Don't ask the patient to take exaggerated breaths for a prolonged period, as this may cause dizziness or even tetany. Listen anteriorly from above the clavicle down to the 6th rib and laterally from the axilla to the 8th rib. Avoid auscultation within 3 centimeters of the midline, as these areas may transmit sounds directly from the trachea or main bronchi. Assess the quality and amplitude of the breath sounds. Identify any gap between inspiration and expiration and listen for added sounds. Bronchial breathing is a high-pitched breath sound with a hollow or blowing quality similar to that heard over the trachea during tidal breathing. Bronchial breath sounds are found when normal lung tissue is replaced by uniformly conducting tissue and the underlying major bronchus is patent. This happens with pulmonary consolidation from pneumonia, at the top of a pleural effusion, and over areas of dense fibrosis.
Please could you say 111 each time I put my stethoscope on your chest.
111 111.
Over normal lung, the low-pitched components of speech are heard and high-pitched components are attenuated. Over consolidated lung, in pneumonia for instance, the numbers are clearly audible. Over an effusion or area of collapse, they'll be muffled.
111.
Whispering is not heard over normal lung, but in consolidation the sound is transmitted, producing whispering pectoriloquy.
111.
Auscultate each side alternately, comparing findings over a large number of equivalent positions.
111. 111. 111. 111.